what can I tell you? I've done nothing all day. I've fed people. That's all I've done. Haven't even walked the dog. I haven't even got dressed properly, and there's a reason for that. I've done everybody's laundry but my own, and I ran out of knickers. So they're just waiting. They're just drying. I'm just waiting for them to dry so I can get dressed, take the dog out. It's really windy though. I don't want to take the dog out. It's really windy, and the boys lit the fire this morning, Wilf and the little one that's staying with us, and oh, it's so nice. I don't want to go out. Can you see how windy it is? I don't know if that's... It's hard, isn't it? On film it never looks as windy as it actually is. Can you hear it coming roaring down the fireplace? Yeah, I really don't want to take the dog out in this. It's not nice for anybody. But she will need a walk. Oh well. I'm just knitting, I'm watching Paula, and I've made a cup of tea. And Granny's been knitting this. It's a sweet little hooded jumper for Matteo. And I've just picked up the stitches for her around here. Well, I do struggle with jobs like that because you've got to do it evenly. I needed to do 134, so I did all the, you know, you divide it up and work out how many you need in the gap, in the like each quarter. Oh, it took me ages. Oh, I'm tired. Listen to the wind. It's raining now. I still haven't taken the dog out. I don't really think she wants to go out. But she won't go to the bathroom in the garden, so I'm gonna have to take her. I just popped to the farm shop to get some ham for ham, egg and chips. And I love this little shed. I love lots of the stuff. I like that. Wooden box. I like these things. I like the jam pan. 2 jam pans there. I like the brass candlestick. And I like that carafe thing. And what else caught my eye? There was something else that caught my eye, and I thought I like that. I like these glasses, but I don't like the coloured bits down the bottom. Yeah, I think that might have been it. There's always good stuff though. Look, there's a womble. Oh, I liked this sort of glass. I'm guessing it's a. Can you see it? Yeah, I think that's for a candle. I really like that. £12. It's nice, isn't it? Okay, let's go. Look at the rain. Yuck. Right then. Right. So I'm going to go back, walk the dog in this weather, and then I'm going to ring my cousin back. He rang me in the farm shop, but couldn't hear each other. We're plotting and planning my uncle's birthday, so that's fun. It's so nice being reconnected with my cousins. It is ridiculous that life got in the way and we just sort of lost touch. We just got out of the habit of, let's see that one, got out of the habit of staying in touch, so it's blooming lovely. I just wish that we'd done this when Nanny was alive. She'd have been so chuffed. Silly bunch of people, aren't we? Bunny, we're going to go for a walk. Look, come on. Come on. Come on, Bunny. Bunny, come on. Bunny. Come on, darling. Let's go for a walk. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You'll be fine when you're out here. Come on, you need to go to the bathroom. Good girl. She shot back in. Bunny, come on. Bunny, come on. Oh, I'm not making you go. Well, I've no idea how much footage I got today, but I'm in bed. And I'll see you tomorrow. I've got a pile of laundry to pack away. That'll be exciting, won't it?